Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to colorize black and white photos with DeOldify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to colorize your black and white photos with DeOldify, all you can do is use Google Colab Notebook. You can simply go and tap open your Google Colab Notebook. Once you've opened it, this will be the easiest way to use DeOldify without complex setup. You can simply access the notebook through your DeOldify image colorizer collab notebook and run the setup cells. After this is done, you can simply upload your image according to your wish and colorize the photo. You can simply view and download it once the process is completed. If you're searching for an alternative method, you can use your Slazer, AI DeOldify, or even look for GitHub. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.